Good day, my prepper posse. Woo! We're back. It's 7 o'clock this morning. It was pouring. We jump out of bed because we didn't know it was going to do that. And we had stuff in the back of the truck. So yay, been up since 7, and my wonderful daughter put our bikes here. We had to dry them all off, and we're going to go for a bike ride in a bit. But I don't know if you can see this cloud over here. Looks like more stuff coming in. It's just been wet. We're sitting at the table drinking coffee. The dog is just happy. Happy, happy, happy. Nicole's asleep.
Hi.
Hi. But we're sitting at the table. Toes. Yep. I'm just kind of set up here. We kind of still have curtains up and whatnot, you know, stuff we threw up so the bus would be dark at night with the TV, DVD, you know. Doors open. I just got out of the shower. It was marvelous. The computer's on. We're drinking some more coffee. I'm going to cook for John tonight. We're so blessed and thankful that we got to stay here for a bit. Yes, we put our mat out. It's upside down for you. Oh no, not you again. So we're just going to play a little bit today and relax, which is what we're doing, decompressing. Cook and, you know, get used to living in here together, you know, killing each other, fighting, arguing, yelling, you're in my way. I'm just kidding. This is like camping, so more later. Enjoy your day and don't forget to play. See ya!